Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 1 and welcome to the news. South Africa announced that their unemployment went from 32.6 to 34.4. This is due to COVID, but also due to the rioting, the looting, the burning. Over 3,000 businesses were destroyed and damaged. Also, Samsung announced that if you looted one of their TVs in South Africa and you hook it up to the internet, they have a kill switch in it and they will activate it and your TV will become worthless. Biden administration has asked the Supreme Court to keep the eviction ban in place. Israel is offering booster shots for anyone 30 and up. They're trying to get their COVID-19 infection rate under control. Israel retaliated against Gaza for almost a dozen incendiary balloon attacks. They launched multiple attacks across many targets in Gaza last night. A U.S. F15 shot down an Iranian drone over Syria. The drone got too close to our U.S. bases over there. Russia, China, Iran announced large joint military war drills that will be conducted in the Persian Gulf. They'll probably take place later this year. New York City, 150,000 teachers and staff have to get the jab or they will lose their job very quickly. Joe Biden is calling on businesses to mandate vaccination or lose your employment. Since 2001, $83 billion of U.S. taxpayers' money was spent on training and buying equipment for the Afghan army. 2 audits that were publicly available on the internet were removed. One was the audit of U.S. provide military gear for Afghanistan, and one was the audit of the $174 million in lost Scan Eagle drones. Both these audits were paid for by taxpayers, and all the equipment was paid for by taxpayers. So this should be publicly available information, but the Biden administration removed it. Taliban are now beating anyone that is wearing Western style clothing, be it t-shirts or jeans. They say it's very disrespectful to Islam. They said they will be coming out with a dress code very soon. CIA Director William Burns had secret face-to-face meetings with the Taliban. Nothing has publicly come out from this meeting. Our allies, Britain and France, have come out and said that U.S. should not leave by August 31st. They need to stay because they will not have all their people out of the country. Biden really should announce either today or tomorrow if we're going to have an extension of the August 31st pullout. Failing to do so, we will not be able to get even our troops out in time. Airbnb is offering free housing to 20,000 Afghan refugees worldwide. And finally, the worst news of the day, McDonald's is removing milkshake products from their menu. But don't worry, this is only in England, Scotland, and Wales. So we're still having them in the good old US of A. Thanks for watching.